Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Michelada mix using an easy method. First, you'll want to gather your key ingredients, including tomato juice, fresh lime juice, and your favorite hot sauce. Next, prepare your serving glass by rimming it with a delicious blend of salt and chili powder. Finally, combine all the liquid components to create the perfect base for your refreshing Michelada. For a classic Michelada, start with about 4 ounces of clamato or a good quality tomato juice. Then, add 1.5 ounces of fresh lime juice to give it that essential zesty flavor. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a few dashes of your preferred hot sauce for a little heat. These proportions create a balanced and flavorful mix. Once you have all your ingredients, combine them well in a pitcher or a shaker. This ensures all the flavors are perfectly blended. Feel free to adjust the amount of hot sauce to match your desired spice level. Some like it mild, others prefer a fiery kick. Serve your Michelada mix over ice, then top it off with your favorite Mexican lager for a truly refreshing drink. The beauty of a Michelada is its versatility. Don't hesitate to experiment with various hot sauces like tapatio or callula and different spices to find your perfect blend. You can also get creative with garnishes, adding a lime wedge, a celery stick, or even a cooked shrimp for an extra touch. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.